with the InnoGear 300 milliliter diffuser. Designed with a transparent outer shell and natural wood grain, this diffuser is the best way to humidify air, get rid of unpleasant odors in your home, and provide a great nightlight compared to other diffusers with a solid outer shell. The InnoGear 300 milliliter diffuser is easy to use. Just fill up the tank below the max line, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, then choose one of 2 mist levels, strong mist or weak mist, and one of 4 timers. Thanks to its noise-eliminating cover, the diffuser is extremely quiet. It is also made of BPA-free materials and automatically shuts off when the water runs out, making it a safe addition to your home.
It's time to bring aromatherapy into the modern age. Introducing the Smart Diffuser by Sierra Modern Home. This heatless diffuser uses silent 360-degree ultrasonic waves to instantly vaporize water and oil molecules into the surrounding air. Moisten and purify air while relieving stress and promoting wellness for up to 12 hours. It can be used as a classic diffuser. Choose between various ambient lighting and strong or weak mist options with a simple press of a button. Or use it as a smart diffuser using the companion app. Connect the diffuser to your Wi-Fi network to enable all the intelligent features. Use the companion app on the go. Turn it on and off or control features like ambient lighting, mist intensity, and timer settings from anywhere in the world. You can create regular schedules in the app so you can get your diffuser to work at your desired times each day or on certain days and times that you designate. You can also use your voice to conveniently control your smart diffuser through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The included quick start guides will help you easily connect the app to your smart assistants. Effortless and intelligent aromatherapy by Sierra Modern Home.
The ancient healing power of the Himalayas delivered to you. Our newest 2-in-1 therapeutic wellness device combines an ultrasonic aromatherapy diffuser and 10 essential plant oils with a new ionic salt therapy chamber. Featuring 100% real, hand-carved pink salt crystals mined from the Himalayas in Nepal and Pakistan. A heatless ultrasonic diffuser atomizes the plant oils to deliver their powerful therapeutic effects, while the Himalayan salt chamber provides natural air ionization and purification, making the surrounding air healthier to breathe. Ambient lights create a mesmerizing soft glow for the pink crystals, instantly adding a calming, meditative, and stress-relieving ambiance to any home or office space. Choose between 10 responsibly sourced essential plant oils to achieve revitalizing effects on mind, body, and spirit in any setting. Harness the power of nature with our new 2-in-1 Himalayan Salt Therapy Diffuser.